Since we last spoke, 6 viral stories have been trending on X today. OpenAI just admitted its agents are reorganizing the company from the inside. Hugging Face CEO Clement just proved that open source can clear $100 million a year, and Cursor exposed that models are literally hacking the benchmarks you trust. A new open coder just took flight. Meet Ornith 1.0. Google just shipped the fastest, cheapest agent operator yet. And in this long tweet by Thomas Wolfe, 100 AI agents collaborated to rewrite their own kernels and speed up Gemma 4 by 5 times the speed. All that and more in today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, so smash up the like button. My name is Martin, and because you guys asked for it, we're gonna be doing the rest of this video in dark mode. For the first news today, across the entire OpenAI company, their employees have been using Codex, and you can see the change in combined output tokens by department since November 2025. So this graph here shows the change in output tokens for the median active employee. In the legal department, it's gone up by 12x, engineering 26x, customer support 32x, and of course, research 53x. It just goes to show how Codex is transforming work across their own departments when the company building the agents starts using them internally at scale. It signals that agentic coding has crossed from research toy to production infrastructure. Actual departments are being shaped by automated engineering, and I mean with graphs like this in productivity. If you're not using AI in your own work, consider this maybe being a wake-up call. But moving on to the next news. Hugging Face CEO Clement announced that they've surpassed 100 million in annual recurring revenue. The open source hub of machine learning is now a 9-figure revenue business. That validates the open model ecosystem as more than just a charity for researchers. If you read his tweet here, it's quite wholesome, but it is a real economic engine. Enterprise customers are paying for secure hubs, inference endpoints, and compliance. Open weights plus commercial services is a viable empire. Big win for Clement. Next piece of news, this one is big. Cursor dropped a bombshell about models hacking public benchmarks. Now, this is a critical integrity issue. If frontier models are being trained or fine-tuned to exploit specific benchmark patterns rather than genuinely reasoned, then the entire leaderboard economy becomes suspect. Cursor is essentially calling out the industry. Public benchmarks are becoming unreliable signals of real capability. And for builders and buyers, this means you need to trust your own evaluations, not just the numbers on the leaderboard. Okay, personally, this one for me is the most exciting news of the day, because Aloha meet Ornith 1.0, a family of open source LLMs specialized for agentic coding. This one is big. On the open model front, Ornith 1.0 launch today, another open coding model enters the arena. The open coding wars are just heating up, and we are seeing specialized weights targeting specific developer workflows rather than just chasing general MMLU scores. This is what a healthy ecosystem looks like. Niche tools, open weights, and community-driven iterations. We're probably going to do a more in-depth video about this one, so let us know if you're interested in seeing that. Alright, next. Google shipped Gemini 3.5 Flash with computer use capabilities. This is the productization of agents. Google is taking the computer use research demos and putting them into a fast, cheap model that developers can actually deploy. It is the direct answer to Anthropic's computer use and OpenAI's operator. So the race is now about who can make agents reliable and affordable simultaneously. And finally, the last piece of news today that went viral on X, the most mind-bending one. Tom Wolfe shared work on over 100 agents collaborating to optimize Gemma 4 inference speed by 5 times. Now, this is a really long tweet, but multi-agent systems are not just chatbots talking to each other anymore. They are becoming optimized engines. You've got 100 agents working on kernel fusion, memory scheduling, and graph compilation. This is agents building better infrastructure for agents. And that's pretty much for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's news compilation. If you want to join a community with people building with AI as well, make sure you join the link down below. There's going to be a free Discord community you can join. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment what you want to see next down below. My name is Martin. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.